Hi, welcome back. Another important session in Excel. So it is very important to know your formulas in Excel. Okay. So this is one of the quite interesting, session for learning formulas. For today's session, we're going to learn sum total. Actually, we have different ways to do the, total of certain values across rows and columns. But if you'd like to learn more things, please subscribe my channel, Rise Your Skill. It is very, very important to learn Excel as long as you're continuing in IT and non-IT interest on system level. So to make work your easy. So let's learn total sum across rows and columns. Let's try to understand this. Okay. So let's come back. Okay. So here I'm showing a small example. If you see this, a couple of examples. Here you have item types like soap, shampoos, and this is particularly brand, Rexona, Laser. All these are the brands got maintained. How much the total quantity if it is supposed to be ordered? That is the count, and this is per quantity price 50 rupees on 50 grams, and one shampoo equal to 200, like that. This is in INR. There is no compulsion that you need not take INR. Based on your country region, you can able to take your own currency. But what is the importance for today? Okay, so I would like to make it total auto. Okay, let me show you one thing here. If I select this cell, okay, if I select these two rows, right? So these two cells, right? 50 plus 200 is 270. You can, so 50 plus 200 is 250. You can able to see this. This is 250. So if I try to select one more cell, automatically auto calculating happening in the bottom of your ribbon. Okay, 270 is there in green. So you can able to see. So if I would like to make it this total, this should be 550. Okay. Uh, so this total is 550. Now, what do you want? Okay, you wanted to make this total as 550. So how do you do that? So anyhow, it is appearing in the bottom that you cannot see. You can able to check. So in the middle, suppose you selected these two rows, 20 plus 70, you can able to find this one as a 90. Like that, this is for just finding. But you would like to make it a total here automatically. How do you do that? Different ways. For example, if you make a selection of this total, just go to the auto sum. Okay, so that what it says automatically adds up above rows, and whatever the immediate row cell is available, that total is appears. This is how it is designed. Okay, so now you can able to see 550 got it. The same way, like if I make a selection of this 550, you can able to see this. This is the proof actually. So if you take, for example, 20, 30, 40 column wise also, you can able to make a selections. For example, if I made a selection, you can able to see total is 90. Okay, if I would like to do the auto count, auto sum count, if I click auto sum, 90 is available. This is the place where you can able to find many auto formulas. Okay, this is called formula bar. Okay, so if I would like to make this total, now it is happening with like auto formula. If I would like to do that, so I can give any formula which starts with equal to. Okay, so equal to. So what is the formula? For example, sum. With practice, you can able to remember this. Okay, sum. So open bracket or open parenthesis, you can see this. If you wanted to make a selection from where I would like to make the selection of all these three columns, 20, 30, 40, I want to. So then close it. Just press enter from your keyboard. 90 it came. So for example, if I'm changing here, okay, 80, press enter. See, automatically the sum is changing, right? For example, this I would like to make it 100. See, automatically 200 happened. This also I'm making this, like you can say that auto formula, automatically your formula is changing. Okay, if you write this formula, so you can write formula here. If I select this, you can able to see the formula here also. For example, if I remove this, okay, automatically it is gone. I can able to write the formula here also. Okay, so make it equal to sum bracket. Okay, you need to make a selection, right? So from where, from which, you can see this. This is which cell. Okay, if you make a select a cell, automatically it comes. Actually, you can go here. Okay, you can make a selection here, and you can write the cell also. say automatically 300 came. This is how it works. So let's see the total also here. Okay, row wise, how do you do the sum? So equal to sum bracket. So from shift from your keyboard and have a selection here. Okay, so automatically selection happens. Close the bracket. So once again, it's wrong I did. Equal to sum bracket. Go to the top and then shift and make a selection here. Okay. Now you can able to see the sum. So either you can able to use this auto sum or else you can able to use like this. Okay. Let's see. Let's extend this example. For example, this example previously we have seen. So for some purpose, like student number, 8 students are there, their classes and their grade. So their marks like English, science, and social and maths, I would like to sum it. So I will show you both ways. Equal to sum. Okay. So this is needed more practice. Auto anyhow it is easy. So you can, so let's do one thing, sum bracket. Okay. So from here, shift, I'm selecting this from your keyboard. I don't require this. So let's close the bracket, press enter. Now see, 280 came, the total is. The same thing, I will show you formula bar. Okay. Equal to sum. Either you can able to write the formula there or else you can able to write here also. Let's make a selection here from your keyboard. Again, shift. How many rows? These many rows. Close bracket. Press enter. So automatically it came. So let me show you here again. Sum again. Bracket. This one. Okay. Shift selection. So till here, if I want it. See, now sum is coming. So let me show you auto sum. Let's make a selection of this and click on auto sum. Automatically see it is highlighted right here 270 it is copied. So now I would like to copy this formula to other rows also. If you write one formula that you can able to drag and drop it. Let me drop it here. So if I drag and drop it, see previous if I select this is J5 to M5. Okay. J5 where it is, this is J5. J5 to M5, the total is. The similar way, if you look at this, this is, okay, what is this? The formula J6 to M6. This is J7 to M7, okay. From J7 row onwards till M column, M row cells, it is copying like that. You can able to do that, okay. In the similar way, this is how the sum works. You can able to see here also, okay, equal to sum, okay, right? You got it. So this is how so you can able to drag and drop. For example, if I delete it, okay, automatically formula gone. You can see this. Either I can able to delete it, okay, I can make a selection. I can able to manually delete it here also if formula I don't want it. One more shortcut is there that I will explain you. So after doing the total also, you can able to take the formula out. That is different story. Okay. So that is with paste, we'll do it. Let's try to understand this. Suppose if I say make a selection, if I delete it, all formulas gone. Okay. Now formula is having. If I drag and drop, automatically formula came to other cells also. This is applicable for your rows and columns also. Okay. This is how you can able to play with the system by using some formula. Okay. So we extend this example. Okay. So for other things also, I will explain you. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining this session. We'll catch up in next session. Please subscribe my channel to learn further formulas. Have a great day.